Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. CryptoSnake here, and in today's step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through setting up and getting started with Rabby Wallet. Let's dive right in. Rabby is a non-custodial multi-chain wallet created by DeBank, a DeFi dashboard and analytics platform. Rabby Wallet supports over 10,000 cryptocurrencies and NFTs on Ethereum, as well as over 141 EVM chains and testnets. It is ideal for users who actively engage with DeFi apps. Rabby Wallet is open source, allowing anyone to review its underlying code. It is available as a browser extension, desktop application, and mobile application. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on the browser extension. To get started, head to rabby.io, select download and install the extension. Once the extension is installed, you can pin it for quicker access. Click on the extension icon to proceed. You have multiple options to choose from while adding an address. You can create a new seed phrase, import an existing seed phrase, private key, or MetaMask account, connect hardware wallets, mobile wallet apps, and institutional wallets, or add contacts as a watch-only address. Since we're starting fresh, click Create New Seed Phrase, set up and confirm your password, read and accept the terms of use, then click Next. The next step is crucial. Rabby will generate a 12-word backup seed phrase, which is essential for wallet recovery in case you lose access. Read the security tips carefully and ensure your screen is private before proceeding. Then click Show Seed Phrase. Write down the words in the same order as displayed. Remember to store your seed phrase securely, as losing it means losing access to your wallet and crypto assets permanently. Never share it with anyone, as doing so could compromise the security of your wallet. When you're ready, click I've saved my phrase to proceed. Rabby will offer a variety of wallet addresses to choose from. You can add them all, or as many as you prefer. Click Done to proceed. Your wallet is now ready to use. Click on the Rabby Extension tab to open it. If you are also using MetaMask, you'll need to switch it off to use Rabby. You can click Flip to switch between the two extensions. The interface is straightforward. At the top, you'll find your balance and a list of assets. Here, you also have the main functions. Below, you'll see the selected network with the current gas price, and at the bottom, there's a list of available networks. You can pin your favorite ones to the top and set the preferred network. Now let's top up the balance by receiving some coins. Click Receive and select the coin. For this tutorial, we're using Ethereum. Then, copy and send your wallet address to the sender, or show them your QR code. Once the funds are received, they'll reflect in your wallet balance. Click on the balance to hide or show the amount. In your asset menu, you have your total asset balance at the top, displayed in your local currency, and each coin balance below with the current market and wallet value on the right. Click on the coin to see recent transactions and track them, and to access the swap, send, and receive functions, which you can also find in the main menu. You can click Swap to exchange coins directly from the Rabby wallet. Select the network and tokens, enter the amount you wish to swap, and click Get Quotes. You'll receive swap rates from a list of providers. To select a provider, you first have to enable trading with them. Choose your provider, review your order, and click Swap if you wish to proceed. On the top right, you have your swap history and exchange settings. Now, let's send some crypto. Return to the menu and click Send. Enter the recipient's address. If you wish, you may add the address to your contact list. Enter the amount you wish to send, or click Maximum. Then, set your gas fee if you wish. The lower the fee, the slower the transaction. The higher the fee, the faster the transaction. If you trust the address, you have to whitelist it before you proceed. When you are ready, click Send. Review your details and click Sign and Create, and then confirm. Your funds have been sent. Your new balance will be reflected in your wallet. Click on Transactions to see your recent transactions. Rabby detects scams. Such transactions will have a scam tag. If you don't wish to see them, you have the option to hide scam transactions. Here we have our first two transactions, the one we received earlier and the one we just sent. Click on the transaction number to be redirected to Etherscan, where you can view detailed information about it. Let's browse over the remaining features. In the NFT tab, you can browse your NFT collection. In the gas top up section, you can top up your gas balance. Pretty self-explanatory. In approvals, you can review your smart contract approvals and revoke any unfamiliar approvals. Next, claim your Rabby points if you have a referral code, or earn points by referring new users, swapping in Rabby, and topping up your gas. Here you can also view the top 100 users list. In More, you can claim your Rabby badge, request debank testnet gas token, lock your wallet, review your signature record, manage your addresses and connected dApps, enable or disable whitelist for sending assets, add custom networks, modify RPC URL, set your preferred language, theme, and MetaMask dApps. You can also set your auto-lock time and clear pending transactions. Lastly, you can reach out to chat for support or feedback, view up-to-date information about Rabby Wallet, and get their social media links. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this Rabby Wallet tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and content, and check out the CryptoSnake deals page for the latest discounts and promo codes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
I'm chilling in private with my cold storage.